This video is mainly about my own math experience reflection. Every children are natural learners, capable and competent. Early childhood is one of the critical stage in aspect of developmental in children. So to begin with, I would like to introduce some of the general aspects of math. So the foundation for the understanding of mathematical concepts should be provided in the early childhood setting, as math has a significant role throughout life, from childhood to adulthood, and it has such an important role in improving children's cognitive ability and problem solving skill. And children are capable of learning the concept of math as it is observable and directed in natural learning environments such as creating patterns, differentiate shape, comparing quantities, and problem solve through their play interaction with objects or peers. Furthermore, math can be one of the boring subjects in adult learning. However, in the early childhood setting, math should be taught in a fun and creative ways to keep children interact with, and play and learning has such a great connection in early childhood learning. So to support with the idea of play and learning, numerous of objects around us, both indoor and outdoor, can be used to learn math. For instance, from my own personal experience, chopstick is one of the materials that was used and has a variety of options in the term of play and learn, as it can be used to teach counting, building blocks, or even like represent shape as well. So back in the day, my grandfather was like the first math teacher to me, and it happened once or twice a week on the dining table at the corner of the table of the kitchen, which he usually taught me and my sister about math and other subjects. And I remember when he brought like a bunch of wooden chopsticks and asked us to count that for him. And the other day he prepared like about 5 to 6 toilet rolls that represent number on each, and then he asked us to place the right number of chopsticks to each toilet roll correctly. And he usually like reward us with our favorite ice cream or snacks and compliment us every time we finish the task, and it doesn't matter to him whether it was right or wrong as long as we spend time like to learn in this activity. And I think that this show the positive reinforcement and the learning in math such as counting and quantity learning as well. And this is like a material from my own experience, such as a bunch of chopsticks, empty toilet rolls, and markers. So my reflection on this experience, I think that one of the socio-cultural theory from Lev Vygotsky, who was known as the psychologist, and his theory was widely used and influent in educational learning. Vygotsky's theory asserted that parents, educators, and peers had a significant role in children's development, as it inspired the focusing in regard to interaction and collaboration of teaching and learning, which allow children to learn. And parent and educator has an important role in children development as well, by giving them the opportunity for children to learn and develop new skills, and allowing children to learn on their own, play new discovery, and support them by extending their play also help them to improve their new skill. So moreover, in regard to my personal experience, I learned that positive reinforcement also help children to build self-esteem and allow them to recognize the result of their own behavior as well. However, it is very important to follow the guidelines to use like the positive reinforcement in early childhood setting. Within my own experience, I can apply and extend this method uh, into my work as a teacher. As I mentioned earlier, I can use chopsticks to improve children moral skill, math learning, represent shape, or even building block. Or I can use this as an instrument with other material to improve their sensory skill as well. And this is my references. Thank you for listening.